There are so many reasons to love slings. Maybe you have more travel essentials than your pockets can hold, or perhaps you need a quick access spot for your camera. Whatever it is, there's something out there for everyone. If you've been watching us for a while, you know that we talk about our favorite crossbody bags pretty much every year, and this year is no different. Let's get started with a bag that's super comfortable, even with bulky over-ear headphones inside. That's right, this is the 2-liter sling for you if you like to carry larger gear or a lot of it. Depending on your preference, that can include travel accessories like a point-and-shoot camera and a Bluetooth speaker, or noise-canceling headphones to drown out crying babies on the plane. This bag has 2 large pockets to fill, so it's hard to say which one is the main compartment. The front one has a ton of space, but no organization. It's deep enough for over-ear headphones and includes a red key leash so you can find the one you need when you get home. The rear pocket has more organization and works best for flatter gear. It has a zippered compartment with 2 more pockets inside where you can tuck small items like a minimalist wallet. There are 2 additional liner pockets for things like your passport or a small battery bank. There's space in between for other gear like your phone or a paper map, and the breathable back panel will keep things airy as you explore a new place. The strap has no padding, but we find that its width spreads out the weight to keep the bag comfortable to carry. The buckle attaches next to the bag, making it easy to undo while wearing it and keeping it from digging into your back. Plus, hip huggers on either side of the sling help it form nicely to your body instead of sagging down when you pack too much inside. We're big fans of EVERGOODS products, and a lot of it has to do with the quality materials used by the brand. The CIVIC Access Sling is no different, with 840D ballistic nylon 6 on the exterior, YKK zippers, Duraflex hardware, and soft yet durable 210D nylon 6.6 for the lining. This crossbody bag from Minaal also uses premium materials from YKK zippers to Woojin hardware. And it's wrapped up in sleek recycled polyester for durability and sustainability. That material is custom picked-on fabric, a 600D fabric made from recycled bottles. It has a polished design thanks to the lack of a front logo, which many minimalist travelers like as they try to blend in with the crowd. The branding is, instead, on the back of the bag, where you'll find a well-padded, breathable back panel that makes it comfortable to carry all day. Like the EVERGOODS, it has hip huggers and a broad strap to spread the weight in both crossbody or waist pack mode. However, the magnetic buckle is in the middle of the strap, so it's not as easy to wear the sling on your front with a travel backpack since it can dig in. There are plenty of places to stash gear in the travel sling bag, from small hidden pockets along the back panel that work well for cash, gum, or your passport, to a main compartment with zippered and slip pockets that work well for locking down small gear like earbuds, a battery bank, and charging cables. The remaining space is large enough to hold a small tablet if you want to read or browse on the go, or fill it with snacks and brochures from all the places you visit on your trip. You might also hand out your email and phone number while traveling. Whether you want free Wi-Fi at the hotel or discounts on coffee at the cafe, it seems that everybody wants your information now. Unfortunately, they don't always keep it to themselves. Some companies sell your information to data brokers, so details like your home address or even financial information can end up in the hands of someone you don't know. Whether you're concerned about your information getting on the dark web after a data breach or just want spam and robocalls to stop, Incogni, this video sponsor, can help. Since we've been working with Incogni, they found my info on over 500 sites and removed it from more than 470. Spam calls on my phone stopped seemingly overnight. All I have to do is sign in with the email I want spam removed from and give Incogni permission to contact data brokers on my behalf. They get my information removed, handle any objections, and ensure it won't be uploaded to the same data broker again. Plus, the family plan allows me to share my subscription with 4 more people. They're giving PackHacker viewers a 60% discount so you can try it. Sign up for an annual plan with code PACKHACKER, link in the description. Now, back to more slings. A lot of slings work well for carrying typical travel essentials or the contents of your pockets. But what about when you want to carry a camera? That's when we turn to Peak Design, a company known for designing bags to carry photography gear. The Outdoor Sling 7-liter is a compressible sling that transforms into a padded camera bag when you slip their extra small camera cube inside. Then you can have your kit within easy reach whenever you spy the perfect shot. You can even carry a small tripod or umbrella thanks to the gear loops on the bottom of the sling. If you don't need to connect more gear, they can press the bag down when you're carrying less inside, making the sling much more manageable. Even without an extra cube, there's plenty of places for gear, from a hidden back pocket that shuts with magnets and is handy for carrying a phone, to a large front pocket with a stretchy key leash inside. This area is large enough for your wallet, headphones, and snacks, but you'll want to lock down smaller gear in the slip and zipper pockets inside the main compartment. Whatever you carry, the TerraShell 210D ripstop nylon is lightweight, durable, and water-resistant to protect your gear, and the back panel and straps are both well-padded and breathable. There's even a crossbody stabilizer strap you can attach if you're cycling or moving quickly while wearing the bag. Our next travel sling is more shallow, so it's easy to wear just about anywhere. However, it's still tall enough to accommodate a lot of different gear. Plus, it's made with sustainable materials, so you can feel better about your carbon footprint when wearing this bag. It's made from recycled polyester and includes an eco-friendly DWR for water resistance to protect your gear. There's also breathable mesh padding on the backside to save you from feeling what's inside. This pack has a pretty large logo, but we like that it's embroidered on. Your mileage will vary, but you can get it in more minimalist colorways if you want that logo to blend in better. While you can wear the sling around your waist old school style, the strap is long enough for crossbody use, which is how we prefer it. The ITW buckle is positioned closer to the upper right corner of the bag, so it doesn't hit your back no matter how tightly or loosely you have it. Even though the strap lacks padding, it's still comfortable to wear as long as you have some type of sleeve to prevent it from rubbing up against your skin. But what can it carry? For starters, you can slip your phone into a hidden pocket on the back panel for easy access. The front pocket is also large enough for a phone if you prefer it there, or use it for a passport, wallet, and hand sanitizer. You'll find a key clip on a leash in a zippered pocket inside the main compartment to keep them from tangling with the rest of your gear. We stick sunglasses or other travel gear in a slip pocket against the front panel, and plenty of space remains in the main compartment for a packable tote bag, tissues, and snacks. You can even fit bulkier gear like a Kindle or over-ear headphones, but you'll have to make some choices as not everything can fit at once. If you're looking for a sling with an undeniably heritage vibe, the Low & Sons Bond is your bag. With premium feeling sheepskin leather, it has that slouchy hobo look I love. Whether it reminds you of 90s purses or leather satchels from old Western movies, it feels soft and nicely wraps around your body when worn crossbody. Though it's slightly saggy if you wear the strap too long, thankfully that's an easy enough fix since you can remove half the strap to shorten it. While that's supposed to be for waist pack mode, we find that it's easy for a snugger fit when you're wearing it crossbody too. It has more helpful organization than some of those thrift store finds though, with a rear slip pocket for a transit or hotel key card and a zippered pocket for your phone and wallet. The main compartment includes a rear zippered pocket with 3 more card pockets inside, so you can leave a wallet behind if you want. In front of that is a mesh pocket with a leash for your keys, though it's also a good spot for your phone or a battery bank. 3 mesh slip pockets at the front give you more spaces to lock down tiny gear, with one the perfect size for a stick of lip balm, but while that seems like that should be more than enough space remaining, there isn't a ton left if you fill every pocket on the back. Still, it's nice to have ways to stay organized if you don't like rummaging through to find your gear. On the other side of the spectrum is the Tortuga Travel Sling. With its lightweight, recycled, waterproof Shell 200 material, it has a practical, modern look and style. We dig the minimalist look of this black travel sling since it blends well with the rest of our gear. There's a logo front and center, but the turtle shell design is black on black, so it doesn't stick out unnecessarily. The weather resistance is beefed up with YKK AquaGuard zippers, so you can be sure your gear will be protected from the weather, although there isn't much padding to save it from drops or smashes. There is stiff padding along the back panel though, so we like to store sensitive gear right around there. It's made with EVA foam, so it's fairly breathable, although things will still get sweaty on a hot day. We didn't miss any padding on the webbing strap. This is only a 2.5 liter bag, and there's not that much space to fill, so it can only get so heavy. The rear compartment is tall and flat, so it's good for gear like a thin notebook or a Kindle. There's no extra organization here, but there's plenty inside the main compartment. It opens with a zipper that goes around multiple sides of the bag, giving you easy access to your items. Against the back is a key leash and 2 tall mesh pockets to help you stay organized. We find them great for carrying battery banks, your wallet, or a phone, and the snappy elastic at the top holds your gear in place. There's also a large zipper pocket on the front flap for items you don't want a chance falling out of the back ones. Fans of the signature Kanken style, listen up. This 2-liter Fjallraven Kanken hip pack has the same boxy design as the rest of the bags in that line. That makes it easy to carry all the essentials for travel or everyday life wherever you go, from your passport and phone to your wallet, keys, lip balm, and battery bank. The front pocket is where we store little toiletries, from hand sanitizer to lotion to lip balm and a nail file. Even though it shares space with the main compartment, we never have an issue squeezing our gear inside. A zippered pocket on the back panel is a great place for flatter gear you want to easily access, yet need to keep secure, like your passport or transit tickets. It's inherently more protected than the front since it sits against your body, yet you don't have to dig through the rest of your gear when you get to the front of the customs line. The main compartment is shaped just like the front compartment of a Kanken backpack, with all the same built-in depth. There's a slip pocket against the back for your wallet and a leash to hold your keys, plus a lot of remaining room for the rest of your gear. We pack hand sanitizer, sunglasses, AirPods, tissues, and a phone without difficulty. That pretty much fills the space, but when you combine it with all the stuff that you fit into the other pockets, that's a lot of items to fit in one bag. It's not just the design that nods to the Kanken either. The hip pack is made with the same sturdy Vinyl-On F as the backpack and has a cute carry handle at the top to move it from place to place. The webbing strap is simple yet comfortable as long as you don't cinch it too tight. Depending on where you travel, you might want something with a little more security than just a hidden pocket. That's when we turn to Pacsafe. In addition to using eco-friendly materials like recycled polyester that are better for the environment, Pacsafe bags also incorporate built-in locking mechanisms to keep thieves from grabbing your bag or getting inside. In the case of the Pacsafe Go anti-theft saddle crossbody, that includes zipper locks and wire reinforcements on both the strap and the exterior of the bag. They're easy to use when you need them, and they make it so that you can walk down a touristy, crowded street without feeling like you need to keep a hand on your bag. The turn and lock on the crossbody strap also allows you to connect it around the back of your chair or another fixed object to prevent someone from grabbing it without your knowing. At 5 liters, this is a rather large sling, though it can get even bigger if you need to carry something like a travel umbrella or a water bottle. While the top usually folds over the front for a more satchel-like design, you can leave it standing upright for an additional 2 liters of space. That also reveals the front zipper pocket. There isn't much organization on this bag, but there's enough to be useful between the options to lock down small accessories in the front and an RFID blocking slip pocket to protect the credit cards in your wallet in the main compartment. Plus, there's a leash to clip your keys so you can pull it up when needed instead of rummaging through the rest of your gear. Sometimes you want a small bag to carry just the essentials, but other times you want something a little bit larger without losing out on that sling style. If you like to carry your laptop and other tech crossbody, the Aer Tech Sling 3 might be for you. It includes a nicely padded sleeve lined with soft material for up to a 14-inch laptop, a large slip pocket for a tablet or a Bluetooth keyboard, and 3 stretchy pockets for accessories. With plenty of room remaining for other gear, as well as a zipper pocket for small accessories and a quick access pocket for your phone, it's a great choice to carry your gear to the local cafe or co-working space. Plus, the thick back panel padding keeps you from feeling things inside when you wear it. The strap is well padded, but it can take some practice to find the best adjustment to get that strip of padding to line up on your shoulder. However, you can unbuckle the strap and reverse it if one shoulder gets tired or you simply have a preferred side. Or take it off completely and carry the bag by the cushy top handle. From the 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon around most of the bag to the 840D nylon face coated for weather resistance, YKK zippers, and Duraflex hardware, it's a well-made, durable way to get your gear where you want it. We don't worry about the safety of anything in this bag, and it's pretty comfortable once you dial in the fit. For a similarly durable bag in a much smaller package, check out the mini Tensile sling from Chrome Industries. It has more space than first appears and has durable, weather-resistant materials to keep your gear inside safe. This 2-liter bag is made with a recycled nylon and polyester tarp-like sailcloth that combines with the unique front design to give it a utilitarian vibe. From the fun Chrome Industries logo on the front to some of the bright colorways available, this isn't a sling that's trying to blend in, but that's okay. It's small enough to fit under your coat if you're trying to carry it on the plane without it counting as a personal item, and it's also petite enough to shove inside your travel day pack if you don't want to take the chance of getting caught with 2 bags at the gate. There are 2 compartments to fill, from a slim pocket at the back for your passport or phone to the main compartment with additional organization inside. There's 1 large mesh slip pocket against the back and 2 smaller mesh slip pockets opposite that, plus a key leash with space remaining between the sides for other gear. If you don't put your phone in the back pocket, it fits nicely in the larger pocket inside the main compartment, and you can put in a battery bank, AirPods, or even a small first aid kit in the other pockets to be prepared for anything. So those are the crossbody bags that we're slinging around this time. What's your go-to sling bag? Let us know in the comments below. We've gotten some great suggestions from you here on YouTube, so we'd love to see what you recommend next. Until next time, thanks for watching Pack Hacker.